So we've got pumpkin today, a nice pumpkin curry with tomatoes and a coconut mixture there. It's really, really delicious, healthy, vegetarian and vegan, and it's bloody delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's go left to right at the back. So here I've got 1 cup of coconut milk. I've got 3, possibly 4 cups, let's say 4 cups of pumpkin. I've peeled that up and cut it quite chunky. 2 cups of tomatoes, try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. 1 cup of onion, chili, entirely up to you the amount you want to use. There's about 4 regular sized chilies in there, but yeah, up to you. 2 tablespoons of cilantro or coriander, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Just in there, don't you see that? I've got 4 actually, green cardamom pods, and about a tablespoon or so of fresh curry leaves. Now with curry leaves, I get lots of questions about this. If you can't get them fresh, try and get them dried. There is nothing else to replace it. Nothing tastes like it, okay? So you either have it or you don't have it. And then in there we've got a teaspoon of chili, garam masala powder, coriander, cumin, and half a teaspoon there of turmeric. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need a wok pan or this kind of woky thing that I have. In there I'm just put some oil. I'm using coconut oil on this one, like 2 tablespoons. It's entirely up to you what oil you use. You can change that if you want. We're going to get our pumpkin in first. Then we're going to add the green cardamom and the curry leaves. And we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes on an above medium heat. We just want to give these pumpkins a little head start. Beautiful. Just a little bit of colour on there, just give them a nice head start there. Right, let me get some salt in the mix. And that 1 cup of onion, and that goes. And fresh chilli. 3 more minutes, again, keep it moving. Really fabulous. Next up, I'm going to go with that tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste, a 50-50 mix of the 2. We make loads of it ourselves here. We're just always using it, or you can buy it in pretty much every Asian store. We're then going to add in 2 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. And to that we're going to add our powders. So we've got 1 teaspoon of cumin, coriander, garam masala powder, chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, by the way, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Now, if you have used a really nice juicy tomato, you may well get a little bit of moisture out of that. So as you can see, I got plenty of moisture from my tomatoes as they cook down. Don't worry if you didn't. We're now going to go with 1 cup coconut milk. I'm going to turn the heat down now, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. I'm going to let it go for about 4 more minutes. What we need to do is really just check that your pumpkin is nice and tender. Okay, off goes the heat. We're just going to hit that with some cilantro or coriander. Give that a mix. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. For me, it's beautiful. Let's get that on a plate. And there you go, piping hot, steaming hot. That is really good, that is. You can have that with rice or with some chapati, paratha or roti or something like that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do take time to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Hit the subscribe button for notifications. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.